Can you break your fast at the same time as your Sunni friends? Many say we can for the sake of unity. Note that breaking our fast is not related to being Shia or Sunni. The correct time to break your fast is the one mentioned in the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran says, Summa atimmu siyama ila layl, and complete your fast until the night. Night doesn't come at sunset. In fact, it arrives when the darkness has spread everywhere. This means the correct time to break your fast is when the darkness of the night has spread. If you break your fast before the correct time, your fast is invalid. Alongside that, you must do qaza and give kafara.